What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. Today, I've got four killer moves you've got to be doing with your heavy ropes, right? Whether you have a rush rope or whatever rope, today I'm using the Ignite rope. And if you're watching this right now, especially from the USA, you've got some good news because we've got this now available on Amazon.com. And as always, you can order this from our website and we ship worldwide, guys. This comes with 3 heavy ropes, comes with a cool carry case. Nice throw, bro. Cool carry case. Looking boss as you just bop it into the gym, wherever you want to go. The handles fit super nice and clean into this unique case. You need to copy yourself one, guys. Links down below. Get yourself started. So today, people, it's freezing cold in the UK. You got to hit a like button for this, man. We're freezing our asses off right now. We need to get this done because I want to show you how to basically make the most out of your heavy ropes, whether you're outdoors, whether you're indoors. I don't get to really feature this rope a lot on my channel. I use it here and there, but I'm a predominantly speed rope guy. You know that, guys. The shoes are staying on today, people, man. I'm not taking any risks, but let's go through this, right? The first move you've got to be doing with your heavy ropes, okay, is high knees. Okay, now when you've got a speed rope, when you've got beaded ropes, you could do freestyle. When you've got an icon rope, for example, you could start throw the ropes around. You could do really cool things. With heavy ropes, you're going to be functional, right? We're trying to build muscle strength, endurance. So we're going to be doing moves that are really going to start engaging big muscles in our body. So high knees, guys. It's just like this, okay? What we're really focusing on is driving the knee up to the sky. And you want to feel that crunch. You want to feel that crunch on the lower abdomen area, on the obliques. You can really twist up this move a little bit more. Get your body moving, twist it up, move at angles like this, hitting the obliques. But if you want, just keep it nice and easy. It's 2 bounces on one leg and then drive the knee up. So we're here and then here, right? Gonna be showing you some nice cool slow motions so you can see this and how you guys can make it look slick. Nice and easy. That's move number 1. Second move, guys, is now a very, I say simple, but it's not gonna be simple with the heavy rope, is the run skip. Okay, now I should have mentioned before, I'm using the yellow cable, which is in fact the middle cable, right? So it comes with white, yellow, orange. Yellow cable is around about 400 grams. So with the run now, staying on the balls of your feet, again, you can either drive the knees up so it becomes like a variation of the high knee with a run, or you keep it nice and comfortable here. We're just really trying to drive the power from our biceps, forearms, and wrist, okay? Keeping everything nice and tight here. Don't want to have your arms out here. Don't be using shoulders, rotator cuffs. I talk about this all the time. Forearms, wrists, biceps. And when you're training like this, you want to try and train in speed intervals. We're trying to get a HIIT workout. We're trying to burn as many calories as possible, get the heart rate up. As I'm talking to you right now, my heart is crying at me. I'm feeling it. That's what you want. Heart rate up, burn more calories, stay in the fat burning zone longer, shred yourself up, okay? Third move, we're moving through this really quickly. Third move, guys, is a variation of side swings with a cross. Now we're gonna start engaging these shoulder muscles, get that burn. So when you're here, cross. Now I'm doing it with a boxer step, but you could do it with a run skip, side, jump through, cross. You can go a bit more speed, intensify it, or stay nice and relaxed with a boxer step. And now I'm starting to feel the burn more across the shoulders, all right? Side, laterals, front, even the rear delts are getting a good workout. You wanna make sure that the back nice and straight. Retract your scapulars. You don't want to be hunched over. You don't want to be wide again. You don't want to be skipping out here with the side swings and crossing from wide It's just gonna trip up, it's gonna look awkward, and you're gonna put too much emphasis on the wrist at that point, all right? Fourth and final move, guys, is the double under, right? You need to be using double unders when it comes to heavy ropes, especially something like the Ignite rope. Perfect, engages so many big muscles in your body, gets the heart rate up, and for me, it's the #1 fat burning move, right? So you can do it in loads of weights, little boxer step if you want, double, back to boxer, or if you're kind of beginner, you could be basic bouncing, and then back to double. What you wanna try and do, guys, is try and go up the ladder. Continuous double unders is where you wanna get to, because if you can kind of get through them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, builds your endurance very, very quickly. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build that strength, that stamina, and the endurance. So maybe go in sets of 2s, sets of 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step out with a side swing if you want. Get your breath back, 10-second rest maybe, and the same again. There you go. Peeps, nice and not easy, but put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort. Like I said, the ropes are now available at Amazon.com. Links down below. This rope, the Ignite, is an absolute phenomenal rope. We put a lot of time, a lot of investment, a lot of effort into making it look super, super slick. If you enjoyed this video, people, give it a big thumbs up. That'd be really useful for me, help this channel grow. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. We're liking these heavy rope videos. I'm gonna get more and more out for you. You've got the legacy rope, if you wanna mix it up, got the icon rope, got the money rope performance as well, now available, loads of different lines. We've got you covered, man. I'm gonna get you guys skipping like bosses. And I'll see you in the next video as always, so take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.